Good evening, Sir Mark Ananuevo. I'm Karine Hernandez Chanelo. I'm the leader of this group.
And I'm TJ Ensarile. I'm the architect.
And my name is Shandana Gonzalez Turl. I'm a technical engineer.
And I'm Peter Don Flores, one of the construction workers.
I'm Raymond Andre Tiagbaran. I'm one of construction workers.
And I'm Brian Esmargallo. I'm the technician of this group.
And we are the owner of the
Igor!
So where did we get the inspiration of our building? Imagine a contemporary art installation inspired by Zaha Hadid's architectural designs and the Power Rangers headquarters SPD or the Space Patrol Delta. So why did we choose Power Rangers?
Kasi meron kaming power na gawin ito at kami ang Rangers na gagawa nito.
As you can see from the front, we have a beautiful scenery here, which we added artificial grasses and a few lampposts to add ambience to the building. And as you can see, we have a beautiful walkway leading into the front spinning door that actually spins. And as you can see on the top of the door, we have our logo, which is the T, Thor. Moving on the side. And as you can see, we barely have windows. We only have this one, which we decided on to put there because we are a closed building. And as you can see under the window, we have a garage that we will be showing later. And as you can see also, we have a few grasses here to add life to the building. Right there. Okay. Moving on the side. And at the back view of the building, we have basically nothing there. Just the windows, some grass, and a few details from the building. Like that. This purpose is like to serve depth to the building also. Tapos next. Okay. At the right hand side of the view of the building, you can see the rooftop from here. There we go. Also, no windows still. Okay. Moving on from the front again.
Tungo naman tayo sa ating electrical side. Makikita nyo dito is may mga button kami dito sa taas at baba at meron pa dito sa rooftop is 1, 2, 3, tatlong button. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung paano i-open sa baba. Lights off. Yan.
May isa pa, may isa pa.
May isa pa. Yan. So dito, pag in-open nyo, nasa taas na button, kaya lang, di ko abot. Makikita nyo sa gilid, ay sa likod, may ilaw, at dito rin. Pag in-open naman dito sa baba, makikita nyo, ang dagdag pang ilaw sa likod. At sa garage. Moving on naman tayo sa taas. Dito, pag binuksan to, kailangan sabay ito para mabuksan lahat ng ilaw sa kotse. Wow, magic! Last button dito is itong pangatlo sa baba. Na magsisilbing ilaw sa rooftop. Wow! So, yun lang. Wow! So, isa pa.
So we will proceed to our interior. As you can see, our third floor have an wallpaper and powers. We also have people or icons that represent us. Let's move on to the next floor, the second floor. So in here, in the second floor, we also have the walls, and in this floor, this is the office. As you can see, we have frames by each member of this group. You can see Peter Dan Flores and also other member of this T Corp Corporation. We also have Clay we use clay to do our interior. This is our aircon and dispenser and other tables. As you can see in this part of this middle second floor, we also have the whiteboard, the plan, and the office room. You can see people is planning something there, and we also have tiny little plants and aircons as well. As you can see, far here is also one of the lunch room, waiting room for office. You can see to the frames. You can see TJ Sarili in there and me. And we also have elevator. Next, we will proceed with the last part of the interior, the beginning of, or the first floor, ground floor. As you can see here, we have parking lot. Our interior have a one lamp and also a tree, small tree, and four cars that glow. That is glow. As you can also see two icons there, and this part of the waiting room, we have the ring bell and four or five couches and one table. Also small trees, and this part of the
Okay.
uh,
Purpose.
in this front door also have a lobby and front desk. You can see the visitors coming in.
Coming in from the door.
As you can see in the lobby, we also have the spinning door that the guests will enter and go to the front desk to to register their position for their job. And if you can see the picture frame here are the groups or the T Corp founders. And yeah, we also have the power for our lamp, like generators. And this is a waiting area. As you can see, a man in the couch sitting there with aircon and some chairs made with clay and an elevator and some plants. And that's all for our interior.
Moving on to the wiring and electricity. As you can see, inside of our rooftop, there's a battery that provides electricity. Most of the, let's say, two switches here that lights up the um, lights, and probably the garage down here, and there's another battery in here. Like it's only one, but there's more at here, first floor. There are three more batteries connected in the rooftop, so it doesn't take too much power from the other batteries. That's all. I almost forgot the wiring. Like so complicated if you think about it. I don't know how. May wiring pa to sa ilalim.
Meron.
Like if I lift this up, you can see the wiring under the illustration board or the, let's say, foundation of the building. And that's all.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I when I
So for our expenses sa building na to, overall na nagastos namin is 700 pesos. Yung artificial grass is from our friend. Yung ilaw, yung mga tao dito is from TJ Sarile. Yung interior namin, which is yung clay, is from me, na inayos lang namin to make little furnitures. And that's all. Yung gastos namin na 700 is for the cardboard, which is yung main na ginawa namin, which is yung buong building na. And especially para sa glue na ginamit namin. We used two types of glue, super glue and glue gun. So that's all. Thank you. So that's all for the explanation of our building. Thank you.
Bye-bye!